Got these auxiliary LED lights on AliExpress for $74, including shipping. It has 3 little blue lights at the top and then a central bank. Half of it is yellow and half of it is white. And you can see the wires down here too for them. That's what they actually look like from the outside. They came with this mounting hardware. This seems pretty versatile, although I'll probably swap out the screws for shorter ones later. And then what else? They don't stick out too far. Look pretty decent on the side. Blend in with the bike pretty nicely. And then ran the wires. They came with a nice harness as well. Ran the wires under the tank. Taking off the tank was super easy. I was intimidated by it, but it's not hard at all. If you're considering it, do it. And so here are the wires for each of the lights. Here's the wire going to the switch. I mounted the switch sideways because I'm going to mount the heated grips switch on the same bracket. Brackets also came with the kit, which is nice. And then wrapped up a little bit of excess. So it has the wires, it has a little relay box, and it also has the, what's the term I'm looking for? The relay power wire, I guess, so that they can't be turned on, so you can turn them on only when ignition is on. And then under here, this is the temperature sensor plug, but under here there was a plug that is mysterious. It doesn't plug into anything at the moment, so I opened it up and with a just took off this cover, and with a meter tester thing found out which of the leads, which of the pins only has power on ignition, and stuffed that wire in there. It's not the best of solutions, but it is so reversible and don't need any splicing, and the plug doesn't seem to be used for anything. So super tidy, super neat. Let's see them. Actually, I haven't adjusted them just so I don't run the battery. So they're off. They have 2 functions. They have the flashing function as well, which might come handy. The first mode is blue only, and I can imagine that being moderately illegal or completely illegal, really, because you're not supposed to have blue lights. But then switching to a different mode, you can see the yellow already. Switching to the next mode, there's a white mode, and then there's yellow and white, and then back to blue. Blue is just over here. So if it is in yellow and white mode, full power, they look like this. And they also have a flashing functionality, or 2 even, where right now it modulates both of them at the same time, and switching it to a different flashing functionality modulates them one at a time. So that is questionable. I should probably stop by and ask a local law enforcement officer if alternating modulation is acceptable. Right, and then in a different mode, this is entirely unacceptable, I imagine, because then the light goes off. This, however, 2 lights flashing at the same time, or not flashing, but dimming and coming back to brightness. They're mostly white. Should be okay. imagine that might be okay for visibility. So that's the project for today. And then press and hold to shut them off.